Did you know that most seniors use baking soda every week, yet less than 15% know its true healing powers? It's not just for baking cookies or freshening your fridge. When used the right way, this humble white powder can help eliminate up to 10 nagging health problems that plague older adults daily, from joint pain and indigestion to urinary discomfort and more. Today, I'll show you exactly how to use baking soda safely and effectively, and which health issues it can help relieve naturally. You'll also learn who should avoid it and the simple mistakes that could do more harm than good. So grab a seat, and maybe your favorite drink, because this could be the one remedy you'll wish you had known 20 years ago. Before we begin, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on powerful home health secrets like this one. And if you're watching from anywhere in the world, drop your country in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Now let's get started. 1. It relieves joint pain and inflammation. Let's start with what affects millions: joint pain. Recent studies show that a small daily dose of baking soda may reduce inflammation in the body by triggering an anti-inflammatory response from your spleen. Yes, your spleen. This organ helps regulate your immune system's inflammatory reactions, and baking soda appears to influence it in a way that calms chronic inflammation. For people with arthritis or chronic joint stiffness, this could mean less pain, better mobility, and reduced swelling, without the side effects of pain medications. It's not a magic pill, but when added to an anti-inflammatory lifestyle, it could be a game changer. 2. It supports kidney function and may slow chronic kidney disease. If your kidneys are under stress, even mildly, baking soda might help. Your kidneys work hard to filter out waste and balance your blood's acidity. In chronic kidney disease, CKD, the blood becomes too acidic, a condition called metabolic acidosis. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, helps neutralize that excess acid, giving your kidneys a break. In fact, a study in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that CKD patients who took baking soda daily had slower disease progression, compared to those who didn't. This doesn't mean you should self-medicate. But with a doctor's guidance, this simple remedy might delay dialysis and protect your long-term kidney health. 3. It helps with acid reflux and heartburn, that painful burning in your chest. It's often caused by acid splashing up from your stomach into your esophagus. Baking soda acts as a natural antacid. It neutralizes stomach acid fast. Just 1/2 teaspoon in a glass of water can provide quick relief from heartburn, indigestion, and sour stomach. However, don't make it a daily habit unless advised by a health professional. Too much can upset your body's acid-base balance. 4. It aids in urinary tract infections, UTIs. UTIs thrive in acidic environments. Baking soda helps by making the urine less acidic, which can slow bacterial growth and reduce burning sensations during urination. Again, this is not a cure, but for mild symptoms or as a preventative step, it might offer temporary relief while you seek medical attention. 5. It boosts physical performance by reducing muscle fatigue. Athletes have long used baking soda for a reason: it buffers lactic acid buildup in muscles. Lactic acid is what causes that burning sensation during intense workouts. By neutralizing some of that acid, baking soda may delay fatigue and help improve endurance. In one study, cyclists who took baking soda before their workouts saw measurable improvements in performance. 6. It's a natural mouthwash and oral detox. Bad breath? Bacteria buildup in the mouth is a major culprit. Baking soda doesn't just freshen breath, it actually disrupts the bacterial film in your mouth. Swishing a small amount dissolved in water can help maintain a cleaner oral environment, reduce gum inflammation, and even help with canker sores. 7. Eases indigestion and bloating. Beyond acid reflux, baking soda may help calm general stomach upset, including bloating and gas. Its alkalizing effect helps settle a sour or overly acidic stomach. Again, mix just 1/2 teaspoon in water, but remember, don't use this more than a few times per week. 8. Soothes itchy skin and insect bites. Apply a paste of baking soda and water to bug bites, itchy rashes, or minor skin irritations. It helps neutralize toxins, reduce redness, and calm the itch. You can also add a cup to your bath water for full body skin relief, especially if you have hives or eczema flare-ups. 9. Fights fungal infections like athlete's foot. Baking soda has mild antifungal properties. It can be used as a foot soak to help treat or prevent athlete's foot. Add a tablespoon or two to warm water and soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. Dry thoroughly after. You can also dust your shoes or socks with a little powder to keep things dry and odor-free. 10. Gently detoxifies and refreshes your whole body. Whether in a bath, a rinse, or a drink, baking soda helps flush toxins and cleanse your system in gentle ways. People often report better skin, clearer urine, and improved energy when using it carefully and correctly. Just remember, detox is not about extremes. Small consistent choices make the difference. How to use baking soda safely. Use only 1/2 teaspoon in a full glass of water. Don't exceed 1 to 2 times per week without medical advice. If you have high blood pressure, kidney disease, or are pregnant, always talk to your doctor first. Natural doesn't always mean safe. Baking soda is powerful, and too much can throw off your body's delicate pH balance or raise your sodium levels dangerously. Use it wisely and it can be one of the simplest healing tools in your home. Which of these benefits surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical health wisdom. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.